Hello, I'm Debobrota Kumar Sarker, Managing Director and CEO of Trideb Investment and Corporate Advisory Services and DKS Capital Advisor. For more than 25 years of experience, we have helped businesses strengthen financial clarity and make confident strategic decisions. We provide financial modeling and valuation, business plan writing, and investor-ready pitch decks alongside capital raising advisory and complete QuickBooks and Xero accounting and bookkeeping solution, including payroll processing, secure data migration, and data cleanup through structured cost control and fractional CFO services. We transform financial data into insight, discipline, and measurable profitability. Our dedicated expert team ensures data security and privacy, and also customized solution aligned with their business goals. If you are looking to reduce cost, improve financial visibility, and partners with trusted advisor, connect with us. Your growth is our commitment, and your success is our priority. Thank you.